Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. You may have noticed that for the past few weeks I haven't posted any videos, and that's because during that time I was actually in France. If you saw my previous update video a month ago, you'll already know that I had a family member who was terminally ill, and I wanted to make sure I could spend some time with them while I still could. I ended up staying longer than initially planned to help deal with family affairs after they passed. Now, while it wasn't a relaxing trip, it was nice to spend some time with family. While I was in France, I did get to see a bunch of cars that we don't get here in the US, and I even got to test drive one, which was, well, it was bad. And I filmed it, so you can look forward to that review coming soon. Now that I'm home, I'm going to get back to a regular video schedule, and there's actually already work to do on this Infiniti. We actually had to get parts shipped from Japan to fix it because they just weren't available anywhere else, which is one of the challenges of owning a rare car. Of course, there's a lot more scheduled too, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of it. I also want to say a big thank you to all of you for sticking around and for understanding, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.